Good morning. My lips are so chapped. On our way with the bean, we're gonna go have a meeting. My hair looks ridiculous. I should try to find a ponytail or something. Yeah, we're gonna go have a meeting. Don't know how much. Oh yeah, she's part of it. Wow. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's just go. The beauty of Utah. Basically. All right. Is this the future? Future?
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, this mountain view is literally everything. Ew, I sounded so Utah. Mountain. Mountain. I'm gonna tell you guys is don't look at my eyebrows. You're not even gonna believe what we have planned. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, here's the other location in this courtyard by Edo. And that will be the Dillards. This is a restaurant. It's just this little corner store guy. It's pretty cute.
It has a bathroom, it has a room right here that just a doorway needs to be put in if you wanted to do like an office or a changing rooms or something. Yes, there is some construction and things like, you know, carpet tiles, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And maybe some slat wall on the wall that is nice. Just like that in front of you.
There's a whole room back here.
Yeah, it's not, right now it's all my props and stuff like that, but
okay, that's a pretty big room. Sad. She had shots, huh? Just sad. It's okay. Another day, another Dunkin'. I'm gonna order. What in the dick was that sound? I'm in line for Dutch Bros. I'm just gonna get my payment. Bag from Shein. Shein, sponsor me. Like, we should do a Shein haul because is there plus size focus? Probably, but we'll see. Anyway, I am currently it's currently 12:32. I open at 11. So of course I'm getting a cold brew. Hi there.
How are ya?
Good, how are you? Good.
Yes. Okay, are you having a good day? Oh, good.
Can I camp out cold brew?
Yes, absolutely. What size, friend?
Medium.
Okay, medium. And do you have the app on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
That girl was the cutest person ever. I'm running over a curb. Ugh! I tipped her $5 because she said the person in front of her was being a butt. I see you, tinted Dodge. Oh, she's from Arizona. Anyway, let's talk about what we're doing today. Today is going to be a crazy day because I have literally so much prep to do for the cotton candy launch. Look at these nails. Yeah, So we have lots of prep today. I have the baby. She got shots yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday, but she definitely got her vaccines for 2 months. They're brutal. So she's not feeling the best, so I'm expecting to like be with her a lot. I brought a wrap to hopefully help. But I have earrings and nails to make at the store. And I also have like hundreds of glosses and butters and scrubs to make. So we're gonna do that today. I am gonna show you around what we're doing. This is like launch prep. We are like in the rough. I'm gonna be posting on Instagram. Like we're really just like prepping for it, you know? Also, yesterday, 2 out of 2 of my meals were like kale based. So she's a healthy clean. Period. I need to go running more. I don't know, like work-life balance is crazy. I have so much to update you guys upon, but I literally don't know how much I can talk about. I hate when people do that. There's a lot going on. Anyway, I'm gonna get my coffee. Homeboy literally had a short in his wires because he was like, do you want a straw? And I said no, and he said, and I said, so I'll just put this with my straw pile down below. Okay, this is the Camp Out cold brew from the Dutch Brew. Girl, that's immaculate. That is so good. Wow. I've been like so scared of mocha things because Starbucks mocha absolutely sucks buttholes. Like it's so gross and you know it. That's so good. That is so good. Wow. 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 I love it. I love it. Anyway, let's get to work. Earrings are being made. They're so cute. I have to take all of these earrings out and put them on these black cards. Here we go. There's 50. It is currently 3:13 in the morning. Have the base ready to go, and we sanitized all of these bottles and lids and all of that, so that's going to dry, and then we're gonna start this in the morning. But now it is bedtime. We're teaching Kylie life lessons.
They eat humans?
They're vampires. This is a vampire movie.
I just didn't think they were gonna eat humans.
What do they eat?
Animals?
Vampires eat blood. I want to suck your blood. Are you close?
I am. I'm filming.
Oh, hi. Got sugars. And got butters. How cute.
Come on.